Welcome to Senzing Desktop 2.0. I'm going to take you quickly through our demo project, which comes preloaded with synthetic TrueSet data, so you can check out the power of Senzing prior to locating your own data sources. Let's go ahead and get started. Following the prompts, we're going to go ahead and click this open. And we'll see that we have two preloaded synthetic data sources, one for customers and one for watch list. The use case that we're looking at here is vetting customers against a watch list. You'll see that these two data sources are already mapped and ready to load. For more information on the selection of data sources and mapping into Senzing, check out the tutorial video on creating your first project, linked in the comments below. I'm going to go ahead and follow the prompts and click load on both my data sources. Now I'm going to review the results. You can check out your data sources individually to look for duplicates and possible duplicates, as well as possibly related entities, and you can compare your data sources side by side. You can also load more than two data sources for sure in any project you create. Let's go ahead and take a look at our matches between watch list and customers. Taking a closer look at the entity Edward Kusha, we find that he has 5 match records between customers and watch list, as well as 3 possible relationships. Relationships at a glance will let us take a close look at these relationships. And then we can dive in and look at the matched records. We can see that he's using some assumed names and different addresses. You'll notice the match keys at the top. These matched and created the relationship on address, email, and surname, but didn't match on date of birth or SSN. The pro tip here is that your match keys are described in gray, and those that did not match are presented in red. Because Senzing favors the false negative, if a record doesn't contain sufficient information for it to be joined with a specific entity, it will be held out as a possible match. For more information and a deeper explanation of Senzing's entity resolution methodology, check out the video Entity Resolution in Slow Motion, linked in the comments. Let's take a close look at possibly related. In the case where we're making sure that we're not doing business with bad guys, or our customers are not related in ways that are risky to our business, we can take a look at our possibly related and go a little deeper. Let's pick Entity 29, Patrick Smith. So we'll see that he has a number of relationships. You can scroll down and check out possible relationships. You'll see how the relationship is created by the match key. In this case, a matching date of birth and address and a surname. Below this, address and surname, but no date of birth. And below that, on address and surname. Hope you enjoyed your tour.